Making fish pie recipe is one of the best things that can ever happen to you, especially if you're a business person. All you need to know is what I'm going to show you on this recipe, or how to make a delicious fish pie for your family, both for sale and both for eat. So begin, we are going to be needing fish because we call it fish pie. Over here, we are going to cut off the head of the fish and then slice the fish into little bite size like this. So once you get this achieved, it's good to go. All you do now is to transfer the fish inside a bigger bowl and then get that seasoned. Now you are going to season that with chili pepper, and the center you are going to be adding salt to taste and mix this together. So once you get that mix, all you do now is to transfer this back to this oven tray, then add in a parchment paper and the center. Transfer all the fish inside the parchment paper and transfer this to the oven to do the job. Now you are going to be needing cup, especially if you're a business person, to measure your flour. Add in the flour. Next is to add in is nutmeg, and the center add in sugar, and next is to add in is salt. Now you are going to mix this dry ingredient together and it gets combined like this. At this point, you are going to be needing butter, and then add in all the butter and then use the butter to massage the flour until it come out perfect like this. So now you get this achieved. So once it's coming like this, that means everything is mixed, and now you are going to be needing egg. Over here, you are going to be adding 3 eggs if you are following my measurement, and then mix everything together until it come out perfect like this. So all you do now is to transfer the egg inside the bowl like this, and then all you do is to add in a pinch of water. I call it little water. It's not even up to half cup, just a little bit of water, and then transfer everything back to the wall surface, and then use your hand to mix until you have a perfect dough like this. So now that you have this dough, all you do is to divide the dough into 3 equal sides like this. Now you are going to be needing nylon paper. All you do is to add the dough inside a nylon paper and then use it to wrap the dough like this, and then take this to the fridge. So this is going to rest about 20 minutes before you proceed. Over here we have the fish. At this point the fish is ready. So guys, before you add in the fish inside your parchment paper, don't forget to add in butter or oil. Now I'm done separating the fish from the parchment paper. All I do now is to get the fish deboned. Debone the fish. At the same time, you are going to break the fish into little pieces like this. So make sure that no bone is along with the fish like this. So once you get this achieved, all you do is to transfer the fish inside a dry pan like this. Next is for you to add in this bell pepper and onions. At the same time, season that with pepper flakes, and the center add in salt, chicken cube, and then stir this together. You are going to stir fry this about 5 to 6 minutes until you have something like this. So once this get done, all you do is to separate that from the pan like this. This fish was so delicious and it was so mouth-watering. At this point, it's ready to use. Over here we have the dough. It's ready now, and then all you do is to divide it into 4 like this, and then all you do now is to add in a little bit of flour in the wall surface, and then take one of it and roll with your roller. Just like this, we are going to be having this shape. So once you get this achieved, it's going to be flat like this. Then take any cutter around you, something like this, and then place it in the center of the dough, and then you are going to be having this shape. So this shape is good to go. Once you get this shape, then over here you are going to be needing egg, and then add in the fish. I added about 2 spoons because I want to open this fish pie and everywhere to be filled up. So now that I don't add in the fish, all I do is to use the egg wash to rub all over the body and then cover like this. Very simple. So this is how you are going to cover this, and you are going to have this perfect shape. So just simple like this. You are done covering this, and then you have this gorgeous. So now you are going to be needing fake. So use the fake to seal it around like this. So once you get this seal, you are going to be having this gorgeous, so simple and perfect shape. Now you have it all. At this point, I'm done making everything, and this is what it look like. So next, you are going to be needing baking pan, and you are going to first of all grease your baking pan with butter, and then transfer the pie inside the baking pan like this. So once you get that achieved, so I'm going to get that baked twice. So this one is my second baking pan, and then this one is the remaining one. Over here we have the egg wash. I'm going to use the egg wash to rub all over the body of the pie before I get that bake like this. So take your spoon to give it that three dot sign, and then you take everything and then add this inside the oven. So this is my oven. I just transfer the pie inside the oven, and this is going to bake for 45 minutes, and you are going to be having this gorgeous. At this point, guys, see how gorgeous this look. This is just so perfect, and this recipe is so nice. You can use this for business, and you are going to sell every day of your life because it's so delicious and mouth-watering to eat. So nothing to compare this fish pie, guys. If you have not been making this before now, this is the right time you need to make fish pie, and then you are going to love it, both for eat and both for sale. All you need to know is what I show you. Try this and share this recipe. It's going to help you anytime, any day. And if you have not been making this recipe before now, this is the right time you need to give it a try. Look at inside now, everywhere was so filled up. I love you guys. Don't forget to share in my next one. Bye.